Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send photos and videos on WhatsApp. So first of all, you click on your WhatsApp application, and then you go to who you wish to send the photo or video to. Below, you click on the plus icon, and then you click on Photo and Video Library. Here you select the amount of videos or photos you want to send, and then you click this send icon. The second way to do this is to go to your Photos app, click on Recents or whatever album you wish to send from. You select your images, and then you click on the below icon, the first icon here. And then you click on WhatsApp, and then you select whoever you wish to send this video or picture to. You click on Next, and then you click the send icon by the right below. After that, your pictures or videos will be sent to the person on WhatsApp. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.